Hi everybody. I don't know what to say with respect to black holes and my little transmission yesterday, other than to say this is really frustrating. This fucking complete stranger calls me a fruitcake because I get this thing out there for the entire world to benefit from. I don't know shit about radio. I don't know shit about fiber optics except that light travels through it. And I understand that I like the radio. I like that I can take that, and knowing that it's a wavelength of light. It is a form of electromagnetic radiation. Radio. You got so many different forms of the spectrum. Gravity, it's a form of electromagnetic radiation. It's on the other end, it's the pull side. You got the push side, magnets with, I think magnets like the equivalent, for lack of a better word, like amphoteric. Like it's got a push side and a pull side. And I think the light side is the push side. But then I think that light and gravity can work together. I don't know, okay? All I know is this. You ask a question, I'm going to give you the answer. And I know this thing. You guys don't know about an entropy law. Entropy is a guarantee. Entropy grows. The law of chaos says that there's only going to be more of it given the universe is expanding. It doesn't expand into emptiness. It expands into more entropy. Do you see? I'm only trying to help. So calling me a fruitcake or an idiot only makes you look like one. Coming onto the scene saying beep, beep, boop, boop. I don't know what to tell you, dude. Other than check yourself, because really... Anyway, moving forward, I understand that I said X-rays released from the black hole. So the new information suggests that there is an unknown light that is emitted from the poles. Yet some reports say now that it's X-ray. Okay, so now we understand that also X-rays are released. I'm not saying X-rays are tachyons anymore. I'm saying that they're twins to it, okay? Maybe they are tachyons. I think they can be if you believe in it. I believe that everything works because we believe in it. It's really what quantum is. You hear my fucking voice? You think that's what? I mean... I'm tied into a computer somewhere, when. I don't know when. But I know this. Entropy grows. So maybe there's more light out there that we just don't know about. You turn a switch on it, then you try to clock tachyons. Why don't you put the device there knowing tomorrow you're going to turn it on, and then while it's not turned on, check then. What do you think? I know I'm talking like this. I'm just tired. I've been repeating the same message over and over and over and over again. And I caught it. I realized I'm in a cyclic loop. There's something getting transmitted through me, embarrassingly, and it's really a humbling experience to the border of humiliating. I'm not a fucking anybody other than an ex-felon, ex-con, 3 times loser with respect to prison, and technically 3.5 because I went back on the first bid, failing work release and getting a charge of escape, which I didn't earn, so I didn't get an outside charge, because all I was doing was going to the beach every day and enjoying the view, coming back by 5 p.m. And why did I go? Because I was a fucking idiot. That's why I went to prison. It's called corrections. I've been corrected. Moving forward. So now we know now that that's my past as a male. Trying to be one. Failing miserably. I just want you to understand that there's a chance, a motherfucking possibility, that every goddamn thing that I've been saying isn't damned at all. It's a fucking blessing. So I challenge you to open your heart just a little bit. I would suggest laying off the lead or whatever paint chips you used to sniff or eat, and take a look at what I'm saying as what if. This is all I've got left. Hope, love, faith. And so I persevere nonetheless. You know, when you really understand a science, when you really get it, you're gonna find God there. And I was one motherfucking close to, I was just agnostic. I wasn't atheist. I chose to believe there might be something, but I didn't believe in a man in the sky that gave a shit about what we fucking do. I still don't believe in a man in the sky. I believe it's a he, she, it format, divine intelligence within every single thing that exists, and I call it love. I didn't believe in anything other than love. I know that love is always, therefore it's a permanence. Therefore, there are permanents. We know that light and dark will always be. Therefore, they are permanence. Innocence is permanence. Please see my video about the left-hand path. I don't sound like I'm tired of everybody. I'm sorry that I come off like this. I'm just aggravated because all I want to do is see that we have a phenomenal advancement in technology sometime this century. And I have a problem. I have a shit ton of felonies on my record. I have crimes that span 2 goddamn millennia. I started in the 90s. I quit before I turned into a woman, technically. Given fun quantum truths, I have also been found to do things that happened I don't do anymore. Anyway, that got squashed in court before now. I don't even have court. It's literally no probable cause, no indictment. So when you Google my name and you truth finder me, you'll see my fun little surprises and my cute little mug shots. And the great thing is, there's no indictments on the new charges because there's no probable cause, because they can't find it. Because I didn't do anything. I never intended to do what happened last time. I was gone. So technically, I really don't think anything happened. Not technically. In truth, nobody lost anything. Nothing was stolen. So I try to say moving forward to let the past go, but I realize I have to discuss this because somebody's thinking about what if we were to take a look at this person and see if maybe they have something to offer this world. So in the meantime, I have fallen on knees, and literally asked God, help me please. Send me some fucking kind of sign of love left in anybody, because I'm all alone and I'm tired of it. You know how shitty it feels to be 40 years old and live with your parents? I'm a homeless person. I live in a fucking mansion, though. So there is that. And so I'm still thankful. But I'm homeless. I live with a fucking EBT card. I'm trying. You know how hard it is to make a patent happen. I'm putting everything into this shit and I can't do it anymore. It costs money I don't have. I'm not going to stand on the goddamn street corner Because I'm not a thief and I'm not going to do anything else. It costs money I can't pretend to have. And I don't even know how to set up a Patreon account. I don't know how to do this shit. I don't want to know how. I don't like asking people for shit. So I'm putting the science out there so that you guys would at least give a fucking try. My voice isn't even being heard. And I call, I mean, you look up my fucking page and it's not even there. I don't understand. Well, I can say this. I'm trying to look like things are looking up, okay? They're not always looking up. If you guys can just try and open your goddamn minds and stop eating paint chips or huffing gasoline or whatever the fuck you're doing to end up with beep beep boop boop and look at me like I'm a fucking idiot when all I'm trying to do is make you fucking happy. I want to be able to have interactive television. I want to be able to do all these things. I'm making it possible, at least by saying, look, here's a chance, here's a way, here's a fucking way. Okay, maybe I'm crazy, but you know what, the MRI said otherwise. I at least checked. You might want to check yourself. You don't know how close somebody is to the point where they just call it, you know? I'm in here all alone, and you fucking come on to my place like that? Fuck you. Go fuck yourself. Anyway. So, I'm not gonna sit here and pity, because I've already done that. I've already mentioned the felonies, the homelessness. I can't get my parents. Yeah, I live in a nice house, right? You ought to see what it's like when I try to ask for a motherfucking dollar. This literally would have cost $25 to start the patent process. I can't get the money. It's through Davison, and my name is David Rissanen. I was playing off the transcendental with respect to quantum stuff. I was thinking maybe, just maybe there's a way. I wanted YouTube to be a patent platform so that everybody would have, a chance. Haves and the will haves. Do you know I called the fucking lawyer's office about it? And this jackass says $3,500 up front, $7,500 on contingent. I was like, you know what, dude? Wear a rubber next time. I didn't say that, but goddamn, you know what I mean? I'm like, well, what if I don't have the money? That's why I'm coming to you as a motherfucking inventor. That's why I'm saying this is what I got. And no, I'm not coming to him with a fucking glassed over radio. But I didn't know what the fuck that was. I don't know. I just let it come through. I channel shit. I can sit there and channel your ass. The great thing is all I gotta do is know your name. I don't even have to know anything about your character. Who you are, I don't have to know a damn thing. Voice and all. Anyway, I don't claim it out loud very much. That's the first time I've said that to anything, I think. Give me a sec. It's like this, guys. If I'm right, if you guys finally ever see my page, my channel, I mean, if this thing actually shows up, given there's such bullshit, I put things in the tag so that I could actually see the video real quick. 3 exclamation points, 3 question marks, 1-word answers, stuff like that. Even the word the. My channel doesn't show up. If you type my name down, Angel Baby All Love, you better see my page. There's nobody else with that name. They have no idea what struggle I'm going through trying to get out of this goddamn shit. I'm in a shit show. I'm in a motherfucking shit show. I'm trying to get out of here. I got 2 people that, yeah, they love me enough to keep me here, but I think it's more like they tolerate me. I mean, recently it's been a lot different. But it's like this. I can't get anything off the ground for my family. I'm not asking anybody for a motherfucking thing. Except for listen. Look. These assholes won't even look. Yeah, my parents, they won't even look at my channel. If they were to actually look at this stuff, they might see that I have a chance to actually bring the whole thing up. I'll say thank you, here's your money, I don't need to see you anymore. Maybe I'll come around for Christmas or something. I see why this is happening, and I'm tired of it. That's how I used to feel. That's not how I feel anymore. That's not how I feel, really. No, this is what's interesting. Ever since the goddamn light thing came out, ever since I did C equals lambda mu nu, with respect to mu being quantum spin, so I really just write an O with a freaking arrow in it. Of E, yeah, I kind of like that it's L-O-V of E, because it's like love. Everybody says good things are love and light, right? So why not that be the same motherfucking thing? So obviously I've tapped into something really, 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 really big, because light has another name too in religion. The light was the first one. The angel beauty. What happened to it? I'm too pretty, I'm going to hell. Well, obviously I don't feel like I'm that pretty, so I don't feel like the motherfucking devil. I've already lived. Devil backwards, yeah. Since I'm the Antichrist and all, but I'm on Antichrist, so I don't really want to get into all that. Anyways, I think I made my point. I just ask you, please, try. Fiber optics over the copper, or over whatever radio components that make the communication possible without interfering with the communication, and then catch the morse with respect to dark. I don't know, maybe it's light. I don't know. Try. 10 to the 800s. That's what I'm getting. 10 to the minus 8. 10 to the minus 8. Microwave? I don't know. Wherever heat just starts to be cold infra. Doesn't that sound like injured cold? Doesn't that sound really close? Why would people in the 60s hear that? Buffalo Bill was the Mothman. Not me. Oh, there was a video that I could contest that with. Said, cowardice said. If a person can't say their name and I'm channeling them, you're a fucking coward. In the meantime, God bless y'all. I love y'all anyway. I forgive you. Please forgive me.